This week, I'm gonna solve the problem of next level grossness by the kitchen sink. This is what I used to get for years. And then I discovered this. The in-sink sponge holder. It looks simple, it is simple. You can get it in metal, you can get it in plastic, it doesn't matter. This thing is gonna solve all your problems. It's gonna move it off the counter, take all the grossness and put it in the sink. And there's one more piece. There's the scrubby that holds the soap. With this guy, you get rid of the other scrubby, get rid of the bottle, and just end up here. Let me show you how. So that's my one good thing for this week. Get the mess off your countertops and save space with this thing and that thing. And I'll see you next week. Oh, thanks, Hans.